Well, Foodie went live again, and if you don't have the full 2 hours to watch it, here are some highlights.
Ooh.
Privacy is one of her favorite topics, but she seems to forget that she's the one who told us about her marriage and how they use loopholes to get around being married on a tourist visa.
Maybe I think that my immigration information, my status, my visa status is my business. And because there's a lot of crazy people on the internet, I don't want to share this information. So I don't see why there's like this huge freaking conspiracy over things like this because it's not anyone's business really at the end of the day. I don't know. I've heard, I mean, I really just, my life is so much better since I just try to not involve myself in drama and just ignore it because a lot of it's outlandish. And the only thing I can say is I think all of Girl World should put all of their brain cells together and come up with like curing a disease with all the time they spend on me. Like maybe like chronic stupidity or something. I don't know. Like, I'm just saying, no offense. Your breathing is heavy, I know. This is actually my last shisha, like for real. I didn't have any shisha yesterday at all, actually. So today's my last shisha. Today's my last Michelle tit because I completely don't agree with what I said in my video about my mukbang about the moderation. For me, I feel like I have to make a drastic change because my health is not good. Okay, so I stopped the hookah for like a day. And then I decided that I'm not ready and I don't know how to do it because I really like it. Just don't inhale. I'm not quitting now, hookah, no. And I have eaten, I have broken my fast. Yes, I have been eating.
In a brand new segment, Salah decided to play the birthday song for each and every Beezer who was celebrating. And of course, Chantal had to sing. Enjoy.
Okay. You want to do 3 songs or just one? We're going to say all the names.
Yeah, 3 times.
Okay. To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ariel Meow. Happy birthday to you. Woohoo! Okay.
Even though she doesn't want to talk about it, you guys, here's a little bit more on her immigration status.
My grandpa's trailer used to have a nice lanai. Hi, Daisy. So yeah, I'm here. I'm alive. I'm still in Kuwait. Um, I know people will speculate about my status and everything like that. I just don't think it's really. I don't see what the drama is with if I'm a resident, if I'm not a resident. I know I have like mentioned things before, but I think just like to throw people off. But I think silence is just better because it's true. It's no one's business. Um, Obviously, you guys know I can never be a citizen here, so I'm still Canadian. But if I need to, it's just something I just prefer to keep private. Um, you know, but there's no drama. There's nothing shady going on. It's just normal immigration stuff, and you know, silence is golden. Yeah.
Remember the plan to only get takeout because that was cheaper than cooking? Well, that's out the window too.
So so I have a lot of things to cook. Like I bought a lot of food. Like we got a lot of food basically to cook. Like I instead of ordering out for videos, um, just bought a whole bunch of food to cook stuff. So I'll show you the guys the grocery haul. I like to do grocery hauls honestly just to show you guys like the different types of brands here and the different types of food.
When it comes to eating between meals, Foodie has been known to dig into the guest snack box in the living room. That said, there was a very interesting segment where Salah gently nudged her towards a little something else. She's noshing on chocolate cookies, and then he comes into frame.
Sam is in foster. Um, I'm not sure. I might still you know, when I go back, bring him, but we'll see. Oh, thanks, babe. No, I want a peach. I don't like these as much. These are your.
Finish this one first.
Okay.
Then that one.
Thanks, babe. We have a lot of fresh fruit, yeah. Miss Chubby Use? These are like, I know they don't seem ripe, but this is the style. He's making me eat fruit. I guess I'll eat it.
Here, babe.
Thanks, babe.
Anytime.
These are donut peaches. You want one?
No.
Mmm.
I have one there.
Oh. Make food.
Once again, Chantal goes on to talk about a topic that she brought up herself, but seems to have forgotten.
And do a video. How many kg did we lose? I don't understand people, like, they just like, you're bigger than ever. No, I'm not actually. I'm like, if you look at, look at that video where Pete and I played that pin the nose on the clown. I was like 400 pounds. I've maintained weight between 330 and 360 for a while now. I've always been, anytime I've weighed myself, it's always been consistently the same weight. So, you know, some days I look more bloated than others. Yeah, everyone does that. You know. But my eating habits are pretty much, you know, I look way thinner. I could lose, yeah, exactly, Mimi. But the thing is like, who cares about my weight? Like, no. Even I don't. No, I'm kidding. I just don't know why people, like, if you look at Tammy Slayton's situation, okay? People were like, I know they're like, her attitude was bad. Sometimes it was. But people were like so mean to her, like when she was really big. You know, like, she'll never lose weight. Oh my God, she's hopeless. You know, like, you shouldn't be eating that, blah, blah, blah. And now that she's losing weight, people are like praising her like none other, you know? So it's like, why do people care so much? I don't know. It's like, still be nice to people regardless of their weight, you know? You know, it's hard to lose weight. It's not easy.
I have to admit, I was disappointed with his Harry update, but I wasn't surprised.
Harry's in the other room. I put him in the other room when I'm smoking. When I'm not smoking, he's here. But I've decided that I think the tank is a bad idea. The open cage is better for ventilation for him. I'm going to get him a new little house. Oh, yes. And just get him some more toys. Change his bedding frequently. Make him comfortable. And I take him out for kisses and hugs. Woo!
In one of the weirdest segments of the entire stream, Chantal was describing her plane crash videos, and Salah was laughing like a loon.
By the time I hit the plane, like, I purposely don't sleep.
Crush.
Plane crash. Yeah, I'm obsessed with plane crash videos. They fascinate me because it's like, I can't imagine, my gosh, like, imagine like the scenario, how frightening that is. Like, oh my God. I don't know. Like, imagine being in the pitch dark at night, 30,000 feet in the air. It's true. And then all of a sudden your plane starts inverting and going down and you see the friggin', oh, you can't see anything? I would die. Oh my God. Well, yeah, you would die, but... dancing. The Beezins are dancing.